Hey, welcome back, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the bezel from the SEIKO SKX watch. You might want to remove bezel for various reasons. You want to replace the bezel, put something else on it, do some modifications, or your bezel is stuck and you wanna, in that case, if your bezel is stuck, you cannot turn it, you wanna pop the bezel off, clean the dust and gunk and whatever has collected inside, and put it back on. It will fix the problem most of the time. So here you will see a line here, and bezels are pressure fitted on, so you can pop them off. I use the dull kitchen knife because it's dull, it's bendable, so it won't cut me, it won't cut my finger. I prefer that over a Victorinox knife. These things are sharp and you can cut yourself, so find something dull, something kitchen, and you can see here just pressure insert this little knife here and insert it, and then you just pop it off. See? And now it's just a matter of prying, and this thing came back out. So you just pry it off. Be careful, do not cut yourself. It's a leverage, and the bezel is off. Inside here there's a O-ring rubber seal. You might want to remove that. Do not lose it. Clean that off, lubricate it, and here if your bezel is stuck, you will find all kinds of gunk and dirt collected here, and this is a little ring. Do not lose this, do not break it. You will see easily how to put it back. If you don't know how, film it or take some pictures and do it. So after that you do your cleaning, insert it back, and you have your little two notches, insert it into two holes, put the bezel back on and pressure fit it back on. I recommend putting it on a carpet and like this, and just press it equally from all sides. If you don't have a carpet, you may have a book or something like that. So you put this on, you can see two dots here, two holes. You place that into them and make sure everything is all right. Everything is fitted, and after that you have a bezel. Make sure you put the seal back on if you remove it or you replace it. Don't forget anything. If you forget it, you will have to do it again. So this is how I do it. I'm not a professional, so I just want to share, just a little pressure, and it's on, but it's not completely on. So right now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna turn it back and pressure it against something hard. Here what I will use a book or on a carpet, because that way you won't scratch anything and damage it. Just place it and just apply a little pressure with the palm until you hear a click, and that's it. That's really it, and it works. It's nice, and that's it. Hope this someone helps, and thank you for watching. I'm EDC Gunner, and please subscribe.